How's it, everybody? This is Susan here. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're going to be making some delicious Chinese rice rolls with ham sui gok filling from our leftovers from last time. First, we have about 1 cup of rice here that has been soaking in water overnight. We are just scooping in our rice here. There we go. Just putting it in. Our blender can't handle too much at a time, so what we're doing here is I think we're putting in 3 scoops of rice and we're adding 3 scoops of water to blend with. There we go. Just remember 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water for the blending part. And let it blend until it's smooth and white and no more grainy. There we go. When you're done, place that in a large mixing bowl. We're still grinding here. I think we grinded it for about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see here, it's like batter. Okay, then we're just scooping every last drop out. Okay, and then once that's done, you'll add 1 cup of boiling water for every cup of rice that you used to make the batter, and then use your whisk to whisk it nice and smooth. Next, get your 2 pans here and smother it or brush it with oil. There we go. This is our leftover ham sui gok filling from last time. You can check out the video in the link below in the description. We're going to add 1 ladle of batter or mixture here, and then we're going to have our wok boiling with water here. You need to have a wok or a deep enough pan that can steam your rice, your rolled rice rolls here. And then we're going to have our second pan ready. Normally you'll just cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, this one does not have filling, so it will cook much faster. When it changes color and when it does not shake around anymore, you can see the mixture there has become jello-ish, then you know it's ready. Now you have a process going on. While that's busy cooking now, you're going to be scraping this or rolling your rice roll. Just look at that beautiful white color. This is all from the white rice that we blended earlier. And then we'll serve it with a nice dash of light soy sauce and oil. We like to make a mixture of soy sauce and sugar to make a sweetened soy sauce. Here we're adding in about 2 teaspoons of our ham sui gok filling there. Make sure it's a nice and thin filling so that it cooks faster. There we go, just roll it up. And this is our next pan that we have ready. It's a nice, easy process. Normally, before, it used to take us about 2 to 3 hours to finish this, but because now we have a process going on, we're not using too much filling. So you'll be doing this for about half an hour to 1 hour. There you go, just roll it up. Every time you put in new mixture or batter, you'll need to remember to brush it with oil again. Okay, can't wait to bite into this. And the next one is ready. There we go. The pan, this golden pan you see here, is actually from a mooncake tin that we're not really using. It's an ideal size because it allows your rice rolls to be rolled a bit thicker, and it's also quite thin, so it's easy to cook with. There we go, brushing in some more oil, then another ladle of mixture. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and mixed up. And then our filling. You can use a variety of fillings like char siu, beef, chicken. Just make sure it's all nicely minced up. Like this, as you can see. It's a nice thin layer for easy, quick cooking. Video, guys, please give it a good like, thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe or gong the bell icon for more notifications of new videos, or you might miss out.